Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing us how to split data into different cells, just like this. From this kind of data we have here, we have the date and the time together on the same row. And what we are trying to do now is to split the month, the day, the year, and the time into different cells. And on this other sheets, we have different names here. And what we are trying to do is to split them into different cells: first name, second name, and last name, as the case may be. Okay, let's get started. So on this sheet, I have my date here, which includes the date and the time. What I'm trying to do is to split the month, the day, the year, and the time into different cells. So this is how we are going to go about it. The first thing to do is to highlight the data in question, which I have done here. Then click on data and then click on text to column, which is this. Make sure this delimiter is checked. Click on next and set your delimiter. By default it will always be like this. This will not be there. By default it will be like this. So you're the one that will set whatever you want. So from our data here, we can see that our separator is a slash, forward slash, and space. So that's what we are going to do here. We are going to make sure that our slash is checked, and then when this order is checked, you put your forward slash here. Now if we also want to separate the time, our delimiter here will be the column, which is here. So since we are not separating the time, we are leaving it like this. Then click on next. To state where we want our data to be placed, click on this here and then highlight the destination you want. I'll be doing this and hit enter. Then click on finish. Automatically our data has been split. As you can see here, they've been split into different cells. Now let's do the same thing for this other cell, or this other sheet. We have different names here and we want to split them into different cells. Just repeat the same steps. Highlight data in question, go to data, click on text to column, delimiter, click next, and in this case our delimiter is space, not even a forward slash. So make sure our space is checked here. Then you click on next. For our destination, let's set our destination here and enter, then finish. So as you can see, it's as easy as that. Just very few steps and we've achieved what we want to achieve. Thank you very much for seeing this video. I hope you've learned a lot. For more interesting and educative videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the post notification and hit the like button. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.